Well, recently had a crack in my Jeep's radiator, and I was looking for a way to stop it up for a temporary solution. And looking at the auto store, there was lots of different radiator sealants, but this is the one I picked up, and I just thought I'd show you what it turned into. It sort of looked like a liquid mixed with copper in it. This one's called Liquid Glass Metallic Seal Up. And the reason I picked this one is because it seemed to indicate, heat conditions and timing that the other ones didn't, which made me think that maybe some actual chemical reaction might happen. Well, what I did is I obviously poured it in, and as a short, I was impressed how well it did. I still do have a little leak, but the rate of water loss is extremely reduced. But what it looked like, I did two things. I did 2 cups, and this is sort of what it looked like out of the bottle, but it's not moving. What I did is I just poured some of this into this plastic cup, and I let it sit for like a day or two. Anyway, and it turned into this gel, so it no longer moves. But that's what it looks like. It's sort of coppery, has some copper stuff in it, and sort of like mixed with water, but it thickened up all by itself when exposed to air. Now the second thing that was interesting is I took a little bit of the material and just put it in a cup and then just mix it with a little bit of water, like I would assume would happen in my radiator, so I could see if anything happened with mixing it with water, and interestingly enough it did. So this is the exact same stuff here, and this is what it turned into when I mixed it with water and let it sit in the cup. So it actually turns into this white-blue particles. It almost looks like a big thick eggshell. So anyway, I would imagine the reason it does this and the reason it works so effectively on the crack in my radiator is that it goes in as that goo with copper in it, and then after it mixes with water, it has the ability to, any cracks and stuff it can feel it, and it actually becomes this physical solid. Here, I'll try to crush this right here. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Anyway, sort of neat. I didn't expect it to turn into a blue-white solid, what used to be a coppery, watery mix. But anyway, liquid glass, metallic seal up. If you've got any experience with this one, let me know. Or if you have one that works even better, post it in the comments. I'd love to hear about some new ways to seal up the radiators. Thanks.